Okay guys, so today we will be making an omelette, but not just any random omelette. We are going to be making it in a mug because it's one of those days I don't feel like doing dishes, which is a lot of those days. And no oil required, man, because if you're trying to cut those calories, you know. I'm not, but all you people who care about that. Yeah, so we're here to make an omelette in a mug, so let's get to it. I'm the lazy chef. I am going to show you how to make really tasty recipes in the shortest amount of time possible, random but not basic. So let's get to it. We will need some green peppers, some tomatoes, of course your eggs, 2 eggs depending on the serving. I like using some curry powder. You can use curry powder, black pepper, depending on what you want or the taste. You can use a lot more stuff. You can use ham in the mixture. You can use smokies, sausages, whatever in the mixture. It just depends on your preference, but this is like the bare minimum. We'll break our eggs, 2 eggs depending on the serving. Can have some green peppers, red peppers, whichever. Some green peppers in that tomatoes. Mix it all up. Some curry powder. Mix it all up and add some salt to that mixture. 2 pinches is enough. Mix that all up so it would look like this. You can add ham, remember, tastes better, but yeah. Now we pop it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. This is 1 serving, guys, and your end result is very colorful, and you can make it even more colorful with ham, smokies, whichever you want. This is just the bare minimum. So you can eat it with anything from bread to rice, whatever. On some bread. Oh, very good. That is your mug in an omelette in a mug. 2 to 3 minutes, you're good. Make individual ones. And that's it. For more Lazy Chef videos, like, share, subscribe. And I will be back next week with more videos. I'm out. Oh,